Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter money. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the chapter money. We have already covered this lesson in the last session. I'm going to start with this lesson that is add and subtract money amount word problems. So let's just start with the lesson. I'm going to start with the test questions. Dennis and Hector decided to earn money walking their neighbor's dog. Dennis earned $176 walking a golden retriever and Hector earned $391 walking a beagle. So how much money did they earn in all? So you need to calculate the total money, right? You need to add them. 6 plus 1 is 7, 9 plus 7 is 16, 3, 4, and 5. That is $567. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is $561. $567, sorry. Joseph and Ricky decided to donate money to charity. Joseph donated $957 to a medical foundation and Ricky donated $592 to found the food bank. How much did they donate in all? You need to calculate the total money they donated, so we need to add them. That is 957 plus 592. So that is 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14 and 15. So that is $1,549. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is $1,549. For her home theater, Vivian bought a TV that cost $933 and a couch that cost $213. How much did Vivian spend in all? So you need to add $933 and $213. So which will be correct option? That is $1,146. Option number 3 is the correct option. Last weekend, the local movie theater showed an action movie and a foreign film. The action movie brought in $909 and the foreign film brought $930. How much did the movie bring in overall? So which is the correct option? Option number Option number one is the correct option. That is $1,899. For a class party, Mr. Romero ordered a pepperoni pizza and a mushroom pizza. The pepperoni pizza cost $5.81 and the mushroom pizza cost $5.90. How much did Mr. Romero spend on the two pizzas? So which is the correct option? That is $11.71. Option number two is the correct option. Seth donated $632 for a new park. Seth's brother donated $169. How much more money did Seth donate? More. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is the local fried house held a chill cook-off to raise money for charity. The fireman raised a total of $681, but $412 was spent to run the event. How much is left over for charity? So, which is the correct option? You have to subtract 412 out of 681. So, 681 minus 412. Where do you have 7? 11 minus 2 is 9. 7 minus 1 is 6. That is $269. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply money words problems. How much does it cost by six furnaces if each furnace cost 1,000? So the cost of one furnace is 1,000. So then the six furnaces count as 1,000 times six. That is $6,000. Let's just start with the test questions. Did Dennis buy three swing sets? Each set cost 457. How much does Dennis spend? So 457 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 17. 3 times 4 is 12 and 1 13. That is 1,371. Option number 1 is the correct option. If a calculator cost $40.95, how much would it cost to buy five calculators? So one calculator cost is 40.95. You need to calculate the cost of five calculators. So you have to do 40.95 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 9 is 45. 247. Sorry, hold on. Here is 0, 4. 5 times 4 is 20. The cost of the five calculators is 204.75. Option number 2 is the correct option. Janet works as an office painter. She earns $79.34 per day. If Janet works 2 days, how much money did she earn? So you need to calculate the amount she earns in 2 days. So that is 79.3 times 4 times 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 14 and 115. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. That is 158.68. Camel bought two iron benches. Each iron bench cost $58.24. How much money did Camel spend? So you need to calculate the amount of two benches. So you have to do 58.24 times 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Troy bought 8 bags of walnuts. If each bag of walnut cost $2.32, how much did Troy spend in all? 2.32 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 124 and 25. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18. That is 18.56. A toy rocket cost 56.09. Braden bought 6 toy rockets. How much did Braden spend in all? 56.09 is the. So we have to multiply it by the 6. That is 333.54. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is divide money amounts. I think you guys are here to learn, isn't it? So stop writing messages like this. Divide money amounts. Let's just start with the test questions. 939 divided by 2. Let's just divide using long division method. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1. Bring 3 down. 2 times 6 is 12. And bring 9 down. 2 times 9 is 18. Now you have to put a decimal point over here and 0 over here. 2 times 5 is 10. So the correct option is option number 1, that is 469 point. 469.5. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is this? 5,757 divided by 4, I think. So let's just divide. We can go for 4 times O as 4. 5 take away 4 is 1, bring 7 down. 4 times 4 is 16, bring 5 down. 4 times 3 is 12, and bring 7 down. 4 times 9 is 36, and bring 1 down. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 5 is 20. That is 1,439.25. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 divided by 0.4, so which is the correct option? The correct option is $20. Option number 3 is the correct option. 8,851 divided by 0.5, which is the correct option? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is you can do the word problems on your own. Add and subtract many amounts. So we have already done this lesson, but let's just do 8.72 minus 1.33. Let's just subtract. We need to borrow one. That is $7.39. Option number three is the correct option. That is $7.39. 6.28 minus 2.35, which is the correct option. Okay, let's just subtract. 8 take away 5 is 3, 12 take away 3 is 9, 5 take away 2 is 3. That is $3.93. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, 940 minus 522, which is the correct option. Option number two is the correct option. That is $418. 4768 minus 1.46, so which is the correct option? That is $3.22. The last option is the correct option. 968 minus 327, which is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option, that is $641. 2.99 minus 1.78, which is the correct option. 1.11 is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. Oh, that is 1.21, not 1.11. Okay, 4.09 take away 1.22, which is the correct option. That is $2.87. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. It is great. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we're working on is money. The lessons we have covered today are add and subtract money amount word problems, multiply money word problems, divide money amounts, divide money amount word problems, and add and subtract money amounts. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? I have started early and I'm leaving earlier because it's the whole time here in my country, right? So it's just 2, 3 days left, and from the next one day, everything will be on time. Anything else you need to know? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.